She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down.
Wait for the chorus.
Yeah. Chorus!
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Oh my God!
She's walking on fire.
You have to.
This girl is on fire. Everybody stares as she goes by. 'Cause they
Come
get
on,
to the
boys.
flame of
Make it
the
3 out of 3.
Watching when she's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it down, baby, down, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Thank you.
What's your name, beautiful?
My name's Alexa. I'm 10 and I'm from Brisbane in Queensland.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty overwhelmed
Yeah?
because I see you guys on TV and I'm now actually here.
You've got that star quality. Who chose this outfit today?
Well, basically my mum.
Because I love the whole look, the whole everything. You have the killer package. Tell me a bit about yourself.
I started singing when I was about 3.5. I really want to learn the piano.
I can
but,
teach you that.
Yeah.
I really like to do lots of dancing. I do jazz, tap, ballet, and I really want to do contemporary and Eisteddfod teams this year.
I could teach you that.
I think we all want to see it, right?
I think we should focus on
Let's
you
focus
right now.
on, you're the star. This is your moment. Let's really focus on you. Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, I'd like to ask you, Delta.
Oh, yes, I'm here.
She loves Delta.
How old were you when you sang, like when you first started singing?
The second I could start talking, I started singing. And everybody around me knew that that's just what I did. There wasn't kind of a question. I loved sport and I loved music. Those were the two things I loved.
I think that's my questions done.
Okay.
So it was just to Delta. You were
Just
really
to
kinda
Delta.
Yeah.
All right, so you're leaning in that direction. To be honest with you, all of us up here want the same thing. We want you to be on the team you think that's right for you so you can get the most out of this show, because this is supposed to be an awesome, fun experience for you. So you get to choose.
Delta.
Good job.